This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Traci Greene. One-level South Knoxville rancher of 1,476 square feet with vaulted ceilings, open floor plan, 3-bedroom, 2-bath with 2-car garage. This beautiful home has laminate hardwoods, neutral colors, white cabinetry, large movable island for seating, new walk-in shower and master. Most appliances have been updated and HVAC in 22. Sit out on the large backyard deck enjoying the landscaping. Glassed custom greenhouse to convey if seller desires to continue with gardening. For more information, review the details below or contact Traci Greene at 865-584-4000.